Today I'm going to show you how to show the total number of emails instead of unread emails in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook app and logging into my account so all my emails can load in. Once everything is loaded and I can see my inbox, I'm ready to change how the email count is displayed on my folders. Now that my emails are loaded, I'm heading over to the inbox pane on the left side where all my email folders are listed. This is where I need to make the change. I'm looking for the specific folder where I want to see the total number of emails instead of just the unread count. Once I find that folder, I'm going to right-click directly on it. As soon as I do that, a context menu pops up with several options. From this list, I'm clicking on Properties. This is what lets me access the folder settings and change how the email count appears. A folder property window opens up now, and this is where I can actually switch the view. I'm clicking on the General tab at the top to make sure I'm in the right section. From here, I can see two different options for how emails are counted. The first one says show number of unread items, which is probably what's currently selected. The second option says show total number of items, and that's the one I need. So I'm clicking on the radio button next to show total number of items. This will change the display so I can see the full count of all emails in that folder, not just the ones I haven't read yet. Once I've selected that option, I'm clicking on apply to save the changes, and that's it. The folder now shows the total number of emails instead of just the unread ones. This makes it easier to see how many emails are actually stored in each folder, which can be really helpful if you're trying to organize or clean up your inbox. The process is the same for any other folder you want to change, so you can repeat these steps for as many folders as you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.